Hi everyone, here we've got ZTE Axon 11 5G, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings, and here let's tap on home screen and lock screen. Let's tap on the wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got the list of defaultly installed wallpapers. If you want, you can select it from your gallery, simply tap on it and you will be transferred to your gallery. But let me get back and let's choose something. For example, maybe this one. If you are ready and if you are sure that you want to use this wallpaper, simply click on Set As, and here you can choose where you want to apply it. You can set it on your home screen, lock screen, or both. So let me pick both. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been successfully applied. So that's all. This is how to change wallpaper in your ZTE Axon 11 5G. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.